So, you want to make an epic cinematic logo in Blender? Hey guys, welcome back to That's by Kai. I'm Kai, and today we are back in Blender once again. Take a look at this bad boy, which is probably one of my favorite things we've done ever, and definitely anytime soon. I really enjoy the way this looks, and it looks great with literally any text you put with it. Like, you can literally put poopy doopy on there and it'll look good, I swear. So, we're gonna get started because this is very cool. So, I'm gonna go ahead and break this down. I made this like just now, and this is all the scene is. It's a very simple scene. So let me turn my overlays on real quick by hitting this little button right there. We have a camera in the scene, which is just, you know, facing forward. And the two things that we really need, we don't need this. That doesn't need to be in there. And we don't need this either. So it's really only literally four things in this scene, and two of them are lights, and one of them is the camera. So we have one area lamp, which is just Shift A, light area right there, and then just get that bad boy right there. I hit G to move it up here and S to scale it and whatnot. I hit SX to scale it on the X axis and just kind of scale it outwards like this, so it's like long like that instead of a square. And then like R X to rotate it, you know, like this and whatnot. But I rotated it so it's facing straight backwards, right? So it's hitting the text, which is text is just Shift A and then, you know, text right there. Then hit RX and 90 to rotate it and all this, you know, stuff. Tab to edit the text and whatnot. And I just edited it to make it say subscribe. You can make it say whatever you want. But yeah, I'm just going to scribe. There we go. Subscribe. All right, cool. So, and then the second light we have is actually the one on the bottom. So this bottom light right here is kind of facing upwards. I just hit Shift D to duplicate that and just put it down there. Rotated it with the R key and then just made this color purple, so it's kind of purplish right there. And I bumped this power up to 100, and I believe the other one is also on 20 instead of 10, so that one's on 20, the white one. Now the text itself, it has a material on it, so I went to the material tab here and I gave it a very slightly blue material, just made it very slightly blue. Hit that little new button that was up here. But as you can see, that's pretty much it. And the only other thing I did here was, if I zoom in, you can see it has this nice little cool rim looking thing. And it's very simple. I just went to the modifiers tab and added a solidify modifier, which is just right here. I literally hit add modifier and then just hit solidify. And you can see it's literally exactly the default that I left it on, I believe. Actually, wait, no, it's negative 0.1. So I just hit it was on plus 0.001, but I just hit this arrow to the left twice. So 1, 2, and now you can see it looks like that, which is exactly what I have, which is just so cool. Gives that nice little lip of like shine instead of looking like that. Big difference, right? That looks fine. There's nothing wrong with it, but that just looks more fancy. Has all the nice shining edges and whatnot. In the material, I also bumped the metallic up to about 0.5 and the specular all the way up and the roughness all the way down. And I make sure in the main tab here I have bloom and screen space reflections turned on, and under bloom I have the intensity all the way up to 0.1. So yeah, that is that, and like I said, that's the whole thing. That's it. But the great thing, like I said, I can make this say anything. Hit tab and just change it. It looks like the Saints Row logo, if you know what that is. It's a video game. It looks like the Saints Row logo. Look at that. It looks perfect. It looks so good. I love this so much. Like, I can literally make this say anything. It touched by Kai. Look at that. It just looks good. What did I say in the beginning? Poopy doopy? Is that what I said? Look at that. That even looks good. I said it looks perfect. Like, what the heck, bro? It looks so cool. I don't know. It looks good for a gaming channel. It's good for just, I don't know. I mean, even vlogs would look good with this. Like, it doesn't fit that well, but it just looks so cool. I love this so much. So that's what I'm gonna say. That's too long. Thanks for watch. That's what I'm gonna say. Thanks for watch, ladies and gentlemen. You can change the color, of course, of the purple by just changing the purple color. So I can change it to green, change it to yellow, red, pink, blue. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that on what we had because the purple just looks really cool. Plus, it does really look like Saints Row if I leave it purple. There we go. And 3 or that or 2 or 1 or whatever. It looks really cool. One of my favorite things we've ever done. I just really love how clean and simple it is and how fancy and sleek and shiny it is. I will see you, ladies and gentlemen, in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.